guys? Mike G with MDG Collections on hand. Today, ladies and gentlemen, this will be a test of the brand new GoPro Hero 8 Black. Miss MDG just got it for me on our anniversary today. She actually gave it to me late last night, a little after midnight, so she knows I'm big into filming and GoPro and YouTube, and she got me the GoPro Hero 8. So this will be just a test of the video quality in 4K. All right, so right now I want you to take it out of eco mode. Let me see how good you are. Just take it out of eco mode. All right, that's it. Perfect. All right, pretty girl. Put her in track. Boom, you felt that? So guys, Miss MDG and I, today is our anniversary, November 3rd, 2019. Wedding anniversary, and we've been married 6 years, been together 9 years. So we were together 3 years before we got married. So this, to me, is our 9-year anniversary. And she is in Genzilla, doing well. So we're in track mode on our way back to
shopping.
Of course. So she got me the GoPro Hero 8. And it so far is incredible. And that's what I'm shooting in right now in my 4K, and I finally can shoot in my linear in 4K. So once we get parked in the parking lot, I'll show you guys more and talk to you guys more about what's going down tomorrow. I'm going back to the dealership again tomorrow. Hopefully they get this right. And I'll talk to you guys about things I'm taking off of Genzilla that I will be putting on Genzilla Supercharged. Very good. Thank God they fixed the 4K where you can now shoot in linear. That's what I'm shooting in now. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but in my previous videos I've been shooting on the GoPro, but it has been in wide because you cannot shoot in linear in 4K on the GoPro Hero 7. But on this new 8 you can. So let's just check Genzilla out. She's pretty dirty right now. And I wanted to just do this test here in one of their presets called cinematic. What I did was I tweaked their cinematic to my specifications, how I like to shoot. They almost had it as closely matched as I do when I shoot in 4K, but their ISO, they have it way too high, so I dropped that down, and I put the bit rate on high, which they have it on low if I'm not mistaken when you get it from the factory. So it is almost let's see, it may be coming up on 4 o'clock. Let me just check right now. So yeah, it is 3:40 p.m. so it's almost 4 o'clock. So the sun is starting to kind of set. It's a kind of colder day out, so it is not that bright. So I'm curious to see how the GoPro Hero 8 turns out with this lighting. Now, what I'm doing tomorrow is I will be going back to the dealership on Monday, and I will be trying to order this car. Hopefully they get it right by tomorrow, but let's see. Now, I will be there early at the dealership, and I'll have my guy Javier do his thing. He's gonna go onto his program called Easy Order and try to get this car ordered for us, which is Genzilla Supercharged. So as we see right now, Genzilla in this 392 form. Hopefully soon I can give you guys the good news that I'm going to Genzilla Supercharged, and this car should be spectacular. But I'm thinking about taking my strut bar off. I'm gonna take my strut bar off of this car, my tower strut brace, and put it on the new car, and I'm sure it'll still fit, even though it's just wide body flares. Everything is pretty much is still the same. And I will be taking my replicas off with these drag radios, and I'll be storing them away so I can put them on the new Hellcat eventually. And also what I wanted to do is I'm gonna stick with the same rims. I like these rims right here. And also I have my J&B has my stock rims with the Nitto 555 G2s on the rim, and they're holding those for me. They've been holding them for me for a while. He doesn't mind storing my tires and rims. He has a multiplex shop, so it doesn't really hurt him to do that. And also the car is really dirty right now, and I want to see, it's been raining for the last few days here in New York. I want to see how well this GoPro Hero 8 picks up that dirt. It probably won't, but I want to see in 4K if this camera does a better job at picking up how dirty this car really is.
Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the
So that is the latest news on what will happen with this, trying to get my Hellcat ordered. I will be going there once again early tomorrow on Monday. Today is Sunday, November 3rd, and I will be going there on November 4th. Hopefully by now, Easy Order, which is the site that dealers use, is updated fully, and me and Javi can order this car. But I'll keep you guys apprised. You guys will be seeing this video on Monday, more than likely while I'm already at the dealership. I'm off tomorrow, so I can be there all day if I have to. So I'll keep you guys updated. This is just a quick video testing 4K on my new GoPro Hero 8 and updating you guys what is going on with the order of this car, so we can try to get this Hellcat and bring it to the channel and make some incredible content. And that is going to do it for this upload. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna be a wrap.